If you have been studying every section of the OPRA exam equally, I need to stop you right now.
You are literally throwing your preparation time into the bin. Here is what nobody tells you upfront. The OPRA exam, which replaced the old KAPS exam in March 2025, is now run by the Australian Pharmacy Council for all international qualified pharmacists wanting to practice in Australia. Has 120 MCQ questions in 2.5 hours of time, and a full 45 of those questions come from just one section, therapeutics and patient care, nearly half of the exam. So if you have 12 weeks to prepare, 5 weeks those you belongs to therapeutics, chronic disease management, diabetes, hypertension, asthma, mental health, special population like elderly and pregnant women, dose calculation, medication safety, OTC counseling, all of it, because OPRA is not testing whether you memorize a textbook, whether you think like an Australian pharmacist standing in front of real patient. After that, biomedical sciences takes 20%, and here is a tip: the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, renal and endocrine system you are studying here are the exact one that show up again in therapeutics, so study them together, not separately. Pharmacology and toxicology 15%. Know your drug mechanism, know the interaction, your antidote, N-acetylcysteine, naloxone, atropine, these come up. And the remaining 20% is the split equally between pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic, and medicinal chemistry and biopharmaceuticals. Don't skip these just because they feel heavy. That's still 24 questions you are leaving on the table. The OPRA exam fees in 2026 is $245 Australian dollars. Sittings are in March, July and November. And your preparation resources should start with the APC official candidate guide, Rang and Dale for pharmacology and daily dose based MCQ practice. Not rote learning but clinical reasoning. I know preparing for an exam like OPRA is not an easy task, but you can enhance your preparation with expert-led strategies, right guidance. We at Elite Expertise have successfully produced a 95% pass rate for OPRA candidates, and all credit goes to our educators Arif sir and Harika ma'am, who themselves have registered clinical and consultant pharmacists based in Australia and have guided many professionals with their invaluable insights. To know more, contact our team and unlock your learning potential. Thank you so much for watching.